Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious paneer curry quickly. First, let's get our ingredients ready. You'll need about 200 grams of fresh paneer, cut into 1-inch cubes. Next, chop 1 large onion, 2 ripe tomatoes, and a few green chilies. Don't forget to have 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste on hand. This preparation ensures a smooth and speedy cooking process, getting us closer to a fantastic meal in no time at all. Now, let's build some incredible flavor for our curry. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the chopped onions and sauté them until they become beautifully golden brown, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Next, introduce 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and a small pinch of asafoetida for that authentic aroma. Finally, stir in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, cooking it for just 1 minute until fragrant. This step is crucial for a rich base. It's time to bring our curry to life with vibrant colors and spices. Add the chopped tomatoes and green chilies to the pan, cooking them until they soften, which takes around 7 minutes. Now, stir in 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Pour in 1 cup of water or vegetable broth, bringing the mixture to a gentle boil. Finally, add your paneer cubes and let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the sauce to thicken beautifully. We're almost there. For a touch of luxurious creaminess, stir in 1/4 cup of fresh cream or a splash of coconut milk. This adds a wonderful richness to the curry. Garnish generously with 2 tablespoons of fresh, chopped cilantro, which brightens up the flavors. Your delicious, quick paneer curry is now ready to be served hot. Enjoy it with fluffy rice or warm naan bread. You've just created a fantastic meal in under 30 minutes. Proving that quick can also be incredibly tasty.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.